What is the sound of, what is this?
N.
N. So say that, I'm asking you. And what is this word, letter?
U.
U. What is the sound of this letter? What is the sound of this letter?
O.
Not always O. Lots of other sounds also. Yes. And what is the sound of this letter?
Na.
No. But look. You say, I'm spelling this. What is this word?
Dun.
Sun. So, am I saying sun? Am I saying that?
No.
Am I saying? I'm not saying that. So how is this? What is the sound of this letter here? Sun. No. Am I saying sun? I'm saying that?
No.
No. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying sun. Am I saying that?
No.
So what am I saying? How am I spelling, saying this? Sun.
Sun.
There also you have this. Yes, there also I'm saying this. I'm not saying so, no. Am I saying that?
No.
So how am I saying it?
Dun.
Sun.
Dun.
That's what I'm saying that. Right? So here the sound is not n, the sound is both the sounds are there. Now, here I put you here. Now what is the sound here? What is the sound of this? These two are said together. So. Oh. Oh sound here. Okay. But now, am I writing it correctly or not? Or ulta I have written Y?
Y is right, ma'am.
Y is right. Okay. No. What is this word?
It is U.
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 But I put U here. The sound you said it. The sound of U is O. And what is the sound of O? O. And what is the sound of Y?
Y.
Am I saying ya, o,
No.
I'm not. What am I saying?
U.
You. So the sound of these letters not always the same, right? The sound of consonants is mostly the same, but the sound of vowels is not the same every time. What is this letter? A. What is the sound of A? Oh, just now you said this is O. A. Okay, okay, that A sound, let us see where it comes. Oh, okay. C, A, T. How does it come? Cat. Cat. What is this?
Bat.
What is the meaning of pat? Pat. What is the meaning? Do you know the meaning of pat?
No, I don't know.
I am. You don't know the. This word quickly. I don't know the meaning of what. Why isn't he talking? Pat Ritik on the back. I pat any word that is there, phonics or otherwise, give the meaning. I pat Ritik on the back. Good boy. Pat. Yes, that is the meaning of pat. Pat. Okay, I am writing this.
It is mat. Sit on the mat.
That's right. You sit on the mat. That's right. Okay, everywhere here it is mat. Okay, but now listen to me.